Hello everyone, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nancy, 2 years old. I am from Nairobi, Kenya. Over the years, I have gained customer service skills, working at a hotel, call center, and presently as a freelancer yoga instructor. I'm also very experienced in meeting customer needs and in problem solving. I love helping others, which is why I'm very excited about this opportunity. I'm also known as someone who takes pride in their appearance and how I present myself. I believe that everyone has a purpose in life, and being a flight attendant is where I belong. It will always be my dream job. Thank you very much.